Okay, today we're going to go over how to host some code on AWS Lambda. So, first, let's decide what we're going to do, what this code is going to do. And I think we are just going to get the H1s from a website. So, this is my website, and this is an H1. So, is it going from start to finish for how to do everything in AWS Lambda? So I have this directory called Lambda functions. We're going to create this demo code. Then we're going to create index.js. And first you have to export const handler, and then thankfully that autofills for me, and I always wrap everything in a try catch. So log error, and then you really only need the error message, and then I like to return 500 and actually error instead of message. And for this, let's use Axios. Terminal, new terminal, npm install Axios, and then we can import Axios from Axios. And for this, we're going to get a URL from the body. So body equals JSON parse body, and const URL equals body URL. And then we're just going to fetch that. I don't really care about the error handling at this point. Get that data, and then get the H1 tag from the response. So then we're going to use Cheerio to parse that npm install Cheerio. So import, I think I have to import as Cheerio from Cheerio. Yep, boom, boom, excellent. And then, yep, we're just going to return, thank you, GitHub Copilot. And yeah, we can just return. So you have to JSON stringify that, blah, 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 blah. And perfect, now we need to, oh crap, I didn't npm init this, did I? Darn it. So you have to npm init, getting ahead of myself. Why? We're going to go back to package JSON, and then since I'm importing, I'm using imports, then you have to use type module. And then I like to use this script. I think I actually have to now find it because I didn't have this planned. So I like to use this script that Jordan Hansen from Cobalt Intelligence showed me, that you can zip it all up. So this will be just demo.zip. So then you can just run npm run zip, and then it zips it up for you. And you ignore the git if there's any git stuff. So then we come over to Lambda functions, create a function, and I'm just going to say demo. I think I have another demo. And ARM64 is a little bit cheaper, but if you ever want to switch, if you're ever using a Lambda function and you want to use Puppeteer in that function, then you have to use x86. And so I always click x86 because there are some times where I will want to use Puppeteer, and then I have to recreate the Lambda function again, entirely new, because yeah, it won't work. And yeah, it's just such a pain in the butt to debug. So then we're going to come over here and upload from zip file. Lambda functions demo zip, save. And now we want to add a little bit of time just to make sure that it doesn't time out. And we're going to add the API trigger. Create a new API, open, add. And then that's our copy and link address. That's our APIs. So if we do this, and then in the body we have raw JSON, and we have URL. And let's see what happens here. Boom! All right. Let's try Jordan's website, cobaltintelligence.com. Oh, he's not using H1? What the heck? Huh, he is. I don't know what's going on. This is my old website. Might obviously have to be JavaScript rendered. Okay, I know what you guys are thinking is not that great, but if anything is server rendered, it will work. What's another server rendered website? Yeah, what about this website? Okay, like promise that, okay, it's working, it's hosted. It's not, the purpose of the demo isn't to scrape. Didn't have a lot of great examples to back up, but that's exactly how you're gonna host code on Lambda and then create an API for it.